In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mirror effect in Canva. This is a really simple design trick that can make your photos look more professional and eye-catching, and it only takes a few moments once you know where everything is. We're going to start by choosing a photo. Open up Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to add this effect. On the left-hand side, click on your uploads or choose a photo from Canva's library, then drag it onto your canvas. Make sure the image is selected and adjust the size so it fits the layout you're going for. It usually looks best if the main subject is centered or slightly off-center, with some space below for the reflection. Before we create the actual mirror effect, it's a good idea to blur the background of your image. This helps your main subject stand out and makes the reflection look more polished and intentional. I have another video that walks you through the background blur process step by step, so if you're not sure how to do that, feel free to check that out. For now, just make sure your background is already blurred or styled the way you want before moving on, because once we create the reflection, it's easier if you don't have to come back and change things. With your main photo ready, we're going to duplicate it. Click on the image to select it, then use the duplicate option. You can do this by clicking the duplicate icon that appears above the canvas or by copying and pasting. Now you should see two identical images, one on top of the other or side by side. Next, with that duplicated image selected, look at the options above your design and click on Flip. You'll see different flip options appear. Choose Flip vertically. This will turn your duplicated photo upside down, creating the foundation of the mirror effect. Now drag the flipped image directly below the original, so the bottom edge of the main photo lines up with the top edge of the flipped one. Adjust the spacing until it looks like a clean reflection. For a more realistic look, you can slightly lower the transparency of the flipped image using the transparency slider, and if you like, add a subtle gradient or fade to soften the bottom edge. And that's it. You've just created a mirror effect in Canva using a single photo, a blurred background,